In our last video, we have discussed about how plants produce and utilize energy by the process called photosynthesis. In this video, we are going to discuss about human digestive system, that is alimentary canal. The food we have taken in undergoes internal processing. That is, the food has to be digested properly, extract the nutrients from it, absorb the energy, and throw out the waste materials from the body. From eating the food to excreting out the waste, the process is done by alimentary canal. Alimentary canal is basically a long tube extending from the mouth to anus. This tube has different parts as shown. Each part exhibits specific function. For complete video and live classes, visit our website www.homeschool.co.in.